Do you think growing a YouTube channel is easy? Look at that smiling, young, naive sucker. If I only knew then what I know now. I made over 200 YouTube videos on my Rookie Handyman channel and eventually generated millions of views, but man, it was hard doing everything on your own with no knowledge, no YouTube experience and almost no one to support you. And I really wish I was smarter with how I did everything. So to make your YouTube journey 10 times easier, here are 10 brutal truths about growing a YouTube channel that I wish I had known a lot sooner. Lesson number 1. When I uploaded my first couple of videos, I expected something to happen. I expected hundreds of views per video, but YouTube doesn't work that way. In the early months of your YouTube journey, you're gonna feel like you're making no progress at all. But in reality, you are working on yourself with every video you make. You are improving every skill you have, and results from your work are slow at the beginning, but much faster as time goes on. So lesson number 1 is to think of YouTube as a long game, because thinking in months or weeks, it will just kill your dreams. Lesson number 2. Have you ever got a comment from your friends or family? Oh, you want to be a YouTuber now? This one cracks me up every time. The reality is they will never understand why you are doing this YouTube thing, and they will never understand just how much work it takes to do this. And they're probably gonna be like, oh, you like to see your face on camera, right? And let's be honest here, you're probably gonna have just one friend. If you are lucky, you're gonna have one friend who's gonna be like, from time to time, hey bro, how's that YouTube thing going? Are you still doing it? Go brother, crush your dreams. And that is just one friend, and if you are lucky to have him, keep him. So the lesson number 2 is do not brag, because your friends and your family don't care about your YouTube journey. Lesson number 3. The very first comment that I got on my Rookie Handyman channel was and your mom. And I was like baffled. Are you really that miserable to leave comment like that to some random stranger on internet? And I spent some time thinking about how should I answer to this comment? What should I say? Should I be polite about it, or should I go right back at him? And then I realized 30 minutes have gone by with me just thinking about it and basically doing nothing. So lesson number 3 is to ignore your haters. I ended up hitting that heart reaction button, and from then on, I always hit that heart button on every hate comment that I get. It costs me really nothing to react with love, and I feel much better when I do that. Lesson number 4. When I first started YouTube, I also had several other side hustles in progress. I did some freelance work, I was personal fitness trainer, I had my 9-to-5 job, and not to mention wife and 2 kids. Now, with so many distractions, and I'm not saying that your wife is distraction, no, I didn't say that. I was not able to focus fully on YouTube, and my growth was very stagnant. So lesson number 4 is to quit every other side hustle you have and focus yourself fully on YouTube. If you can dedicate 1 hour of focused work every day to your YouTube business, you can be successful with it. Lesson number 5. When I first started, I had no idea what my channel is gonna be about. I was like, I like fixing stuff, I'm good at it, and I'm just gonna film it, throw it out there and see what sticks. And over time it became clear to me what my people wanted by the number of views some videos were getting. So lesson number 5 is to focus on quantity in the beginning over quality. You will see what resonates with your people, and you will also see what you enjoy doing. Lesson number 6. Now, once you start getting some traction, you will have some outliner videos that will just perform better. And this is something that you can use for your channel's expansion. So the lesson number 6 is to double down on what already works for your channel. Your people, they love familiar content. And if you have a hit video, just a couple thousands of views, you have to follow it up with a similar video. And this one it's gonna be a hit also. Lesson number 7. Getting attention is critical on YouTube. You just have a few milliseconds before someone scrolls past your video on YouTube's homepage. And if you are not sure where to invest your time, invest it in thumbnail and title planning. This is the single greatest thing that you can increase your chances of having a successful YouTube channel. So lesson number 7, work on your title and thumbnail 10 times more than you think you need to. Lesson number 8. If you struggle to get your videos done, there is one thing you can do to structure your YouTube work, and that is setting a hard deadlines on by when something must be done. For example, finish the script by Wednesday, film by Friday, and edit by Sunday. So by setting the hard deadlines, you push yourself to get things done, and the more you do, the better you become. Lesson number 9. When you upload your videos and when you constantly get a low number of views, it can be very hard to stay consistent on this journey. And trust me, I know it. I quit 3 times before hitting my first 1000 subscribers. But when you are consistent in making good videos, eventually one of your videos is gonna pop up, and then people, they are going to start watching your older videos, and this is when all that hard work is gonna pay off. Look at that beautiful view. Excellent. So the lesson number 9 is to be consistent as much as possible, but to be consistent with good quality videos. This is something that can make you to stand out on YouTube from other channels. Lesson number 10. Now, this may contradict the previous lesson, but if you need it, it's okay to take a break. Most people are afraid that if they take a break, YouTube will forget about them, or their people will forget about them, and no one will ever watch their videos again. Wrong. I even did one experiment on my Rookie Handyman channel where I stopped posting for 3 months straight, and guess what? My views stay consistent in this time period. So lesson number 10 is, when you already have established your people, feel free to take like 2-week break. And when you come back, you're gonna feel refreshed and recharged to make new and better videos. Now, if you are still not sure how to monetize your hobby the best way possible, check out this video right here where I will show you how to turn your hobby into a successful YouTube channel.